So Jacob, have you woken up yet? I mean, you had that massive, large drink from Dutch Brothers, the Dulce de Leche. You had enough coffee yet?
Does that have coffee in it?
Yeah.
Was it coffee?
It's a latte.
Oh,
It has espresso in it.
dude, I don't know what's going on. I just still feel like, if anything, I feel more tired.
Start the episode. Welcome back. So, Jacob.
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? I mean, seriously, you need to wake up.
You have like this, like, I don't know if you can tell. The way I'm talking to you right now is like the same way I would talk to you, like normally. Like I'm not changing my inflection or anything like that. I feel like when you're like acting or saying something, like you have this inflection in your voice.
Do I?
Yeah, well, because it's like when you're, instead of just going, "Oh hey Jacob, did you get this thing?" You then go, "Jacob, did you do this today?" It's like, okay, we get it.
Am I
you don't
that
actually
annoying?
care.
Oh man, I didn't realize I was that annoying.
Well, you just have like this weird acting inflection, like you're acting, and I'm just like, you know, you're able to just talk like you're talking to somebody, right?
No, I can't. Apparently.
You're doing it right now. That's perfect.
No.
Now it's kinda weird.
No. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'm trying a little too hard now.
Sometimes it feels like it. Like, you know, just relax. And maybe I do it too. I don't even know. I feel like I don't, but I don't know. I guess it's hard to be able to judge. The fact that you can do that and not take any damage. Okay, you can just push her. Push and shoot once. Oh,
the
this
heck?
stupid rat.
No. What the heck happened?
The rat. Yeah, it's just making it worse. Restart.
Are you
no
freaking?
shot
There
you can
is
do it.
no way I can do that now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have
You
to
either have to get lucky with the rats or kill them
Yeah. I don't think I can go kill them
in the time.
in the
though.
time limit.
If you can kill one,
I think
maybe
I
that'll help.
know, and I know which one I have to kill. Problem is actually doing it. That one. Jeez. I got it to stop. Okay, got it.
See, that's enough. We're hoping we can get 2 records in a row.
That would be unusual because that means I'm learning.
Yeah.
Get up there.
Got like a minute left.
Come on, go.
I know, right? Taking like 20 years. Good with the missiles. Oh
No!
my, restart. Cannot believe you did that. I cannot believe you done
fall aim.
this. What do you mean? Of course it didn't fall. You saw it.
I thought I got it enough on the ledge that it would just tip over.
You just felt like an idiot.
Hey, I'm not an idiot. Maybe.
There you go. Truth comes out.
Shut it. I'm not sure I want to admit to that anymore.
Like that you're an idiot?
I missed. I can't miss that mouse.
You cannot. I still feel like you can get lucky like you did the last time. And just have one of the mouses end up pushing it to the shoes.
You think?
I think so.
So don't even try for the mouse?
I don't know. I just feel like it takes too long. You only got like a minute 50. God, I cannot imagine playing this finical game. I will say, like, when you watch me play like a platformer game, you're just like, I'm so glad I'm not playing it. I watch this and I'm like, I'm so glad I'm not playing this.
Yeah, this game is definitely one of those, like, do I really want to play this anymore?
Hey, I asked.
When I first thought of this game, it's like, I would love to actually beat the game and figure out what happens. But at the same time, it's like, I am struggling so bad.
Okay, turn around. Oh, he's gonna push it.
I think I did it. Yeah!
Dude, lucky. And did we do it?
I think we did.
So, yes.
Nice, by 30 seconds. I
yeah.
can't state it. Just a few more, and we can settle our differences mano to mano.
So if you do the next two, like
I can just skip.
I was gonna say, like, yeah, you don't even have to do the other levels.
Ooh, aces high. Every year it's the same thing. You toss me aside to watch the fighter pilots do their stunts. Well, now it's your turn to amuse me.
Stay in the air patrols slipstream throughout their demonstration, turning when they turn.
Oh no. Is this a race thing?
I think you have to like stay on a certain track.
Oh, this is going to suck.
It might.
Where are they?
Turn when they turn. So I guess this kid likes planes a bit more than cars by the sound of it. He really is you. I've never been a car guy. Never really been a plane guy either. I will say when I was a kid, I did want to be a pilot.
Oh, oh, wow. Okay. That kind of sucked.
Did you know that about me?
What?
That when I was a kid, I wanted to be a pilot?
I had no idea.
Yeah. You want to know what stopped me from being a pilot?
What? The heights?
Yeah.
Yeah, you kind of can't do that. Be a pilot and not be afraid of heights at the same time.
Yeah, I feel like it's a big contradiction. Did you ever do an air show before?
Do an air show?
Yeah.
What do you mean do an air show?
Did you ever perform in an air show?
I coordinated an air show for a group of
What the heck happened? Ooh.
but as the actually performance, no, I never performed in an air show.
Do you think you do well in one?
I have no idea, to be honest.
When was the last time you flew a plane?
It's been a while now.
I have no idea if you're doing good or not.
Well, I'm not dead yet.
Yeah. It's over.
No, I doubt it.
Good fuel catch.
Right? I was not planning that at all.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Oh my...
What did I?
Oh. Let me see.
Yep, I did. My bad.
Yeah. I was like, what the heck? It was like...
I thought I was doing quite well. How did I screw that up?
Maybe you got too far away. I don't know.
Yeah. I hate this so much.
I don't know how much grace he gives you.
Yeah, that's a good point. I really don't know.
If you shoot the other planes, then you become the show, you know? And you
Right?
can do whatever you want, right?
Sure.
This is a very uncoordinated show. You got 3 planes looking amazing, and then like this other plane's just
this-
like going.
Yeah, definitely.
This almost seems up your alley.
Well, it should be, but it's like, it's unforgiving for sure. I mean, you stray too far off from the path, you lose. You can't get ahead of them and just kind of like follow them.
Yep.
Wow.
Whoa, dude. I thought you were doing great on that one. That's insane. I don't know how you stayed with it that long that last time.
Right?
Huh. Okay.
Let's see if we can actually do it this time instead of being the DTD like that.
Did you say being a DTD?
Oh, I missed it. That means I can't miss the other one.
Wait, I'm sorry. Did you say being a DTD?
DTD.
Is that what you said?
Yes.
Oh, that's funny. I don't know you use that language.
Why?
I just didn't know. Like, is that like an old saying? I don't even know.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it's like
I thought it was rather new. You're dead.
yep.
Being
That's
a
difficult.
DTD.
All right, last try and then we're just gonna move on.
I kind of want to see you do this one.
All right. Why do you have to make me suffer?
Well, I feel like your pride's in line with this one.
Ouch.
What do you mean? This is what you trained for.
I wasn't a fighter pilot.
This is literally what you went to boot camp for.
No, it wasn't.
Was it not to be in the Air Force?
This is not Air Force.
It's a
flying.
Air Force. This is what they do.
No,
They look cool on the
no.
battlefield, right?
They don't use a remote control like I'm using right now to fly jet aircraft.
What are you talking about? You literally took. You're a drone pilot.
Yeah, and we used actual sticks and rudder
Remote
pedals.
controls.
Oh my gosh, no, not like that at all, dude.
Literally is.
It is not.
You were a drone pilot. You weren't even a. That's okay. That's too mean. Never mind. I don't actually believe what I was going to say. That's why I was like, let me not say that.
Oh, really?
I was going to say you're not even actually a pilot, but I know you are.
Oh, I hate it when people say that.
Yeah. No, I don't actually believe that. I just wanted to say it as a joke. All the drone pilots just unsubscribed, even if we have it.
Yeah, you watch. I'm gonna unsubscribe.
You're the only one. The co-host of the show even doesn't even like the show.
Not anymore. Not since you called drone pilots not real pilots.
Nah, they real pilots. They do more than I can do. You're dead.
Actually, I'm not. Wow.
Oh my god, catch up. You've been given a second chance.
Yes, I have.
Turn more right, turn more right. Yep. Turn left. What's over? Nice. I told you you could do it.
Yeah, but
I feel like you should have lost that one, to be honest.
yeah,
I'm glad you did it. I'm
think
just
I
saying.
should have, but myself.
Because, like, I feel like you were closer sometimes. He's like, oh, you fail.
Right. So you beat my record, but we'll see who has the last laugh.
Dang, you have, like, what, 3 missions to see which one you want to get the achievement on?
I mean, yeah, I guess. Emergency 911. The town's on fire, but where's your squad? Oh, that's okay. You're due for a good challenge anyway.
Rescue 2 firemen and take them to the heliport. Then help the water bomber find water. Remember, to drop off your firemen, you'll need to be high enough off the ground. You have less than 10 minutes to put out the fire.
This is
Okay,
a 9-minute mission.
Hold on. Hit back.
Ugh.
Hit back. Maybe we do another one. I don't know if you want to go through that.
I know you don't.
I mean, if you want to, I mean, you can.
Let's do this one. Last year, you ignored me after you got that pigeon shooting game. Well, now I'm gonna get my revenge.
Vroom Vroom has captured all your paper birds. Rescue them and protect them from their hunters lying in wait along their migration path.
Okay.
10 minutes.
So
So I just saw this, I was like, what is that?
those are the birds.
Got a bunch of missiles and an upgrade.
So, oh, hello.
What is going on? Your health is depleting.
What the heck happened?
You're gonna shoot something?
I don't know what to shoot at.
The enemies were shooting at you.
Jeez. Okay.
Bang, you're dead.
Apparently. All right, so where is that? Is that upstairs?
I think you need to get that and just start spraying at them. Or yeah, that had just not even deal with it. Their aim is impeccable.
Right?
They saw you or like fire. More missiles.
All right, so where's the bird cage? heck is the bird cage?
Down. Are you just trying to find the bird cage, or do you have to kill him?
I don't know. Okay, this is just not fair.
They do give you a lot of missiles. Maybe you could fight them.
The problem is trying to lock on target and shoot them and then not get hit. Because I only have so much. Where is this? Is that right behind me?
Yes.
Okay. So what do I have to do then?
Oh, get your upgrades and. Nice.
Oh, I have upgraded my machine gun powers. Well, that's nice.
Nice. You're certain misses. Show those enemies what for. Health on the left and right.
Okay.
Nice.
So what do I have to do now?
Go back to the birdcage, maybe? Can you free him?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to protect the birds from dying, but if I don't release them soon enough, they'll never make it to their point
Think
of...
fast enough. You gonna shoot that thing, or? Do we have eyes on the birds?
Nope.
Maybe not that one.
I'll do it one more try, and then we'll move on to the next one. Because I kind of like this.
Oh, really? Okay.
But I don't know the flight path of the birds is the problem.
Well, you got another upgrade. Nice. I feel like if you kill all the enemies like really quickly, they just have a sail flying. Nice.
But I'm out of missiles now.
What?
There we go.
Okay, sometimes it just doesn't give it to you. I just noticed.
You see any other missiles?
Back at where you start, there's give you a bunch.
No, I meant missile launchers.
What do you mean? You're looking for ammo, yeah? The pencil thing?
Well, ammo, but really,
I don't know what you're asking.
sorry, missile launchers, so that way my birds
Oh,
don't die.
oh, I see what you're talking about. Okay.
But yeah, there's
I thought you were talking like you wanted ammo.
there's ammo right here. All right, let's launch those birds because I think I.
Just got upstairs to deal with.
Yep.
Need to get there fast. Where you going?
Well, I noticed that there was a
Oh.
lot of enemies on the stair.
Yeah, this just sucks.
And I'm almost out of fuel, too.
Where are the birds?
I don't know. Well, there's the time limit. But there's still 2 more enemies.
Will the birds not move if there's enemies? No, because they died last time.
Yeah, they died. So I think they fly a flight path.
You guys
And
probably get them out instantly.
there's another enemy somewhere. Must be downstairs. Must have missed one. Where are the dang birds? Oh, they're there.
Just insane. Yeah, you have to probably release them like right away.
Yeah, I think that's the only way I'm going to be able to do this is if I have to release them right away.
It'll take 20 years.
Oh, this is going to suck.
Yeah, does not look like a fun one.
No. Can you guys hurry up and make it to your landing platforms? Okay. How long did I... Okay, so I beat it... Wow. Yeah, I literally have to free them right away.
Yeah, that's insane. A whole minute and 10. Now you want to try that 10-minute one if you
Let's
want
go
to.
try
Or the other
this one. The insectophobia. Okay. Looks like somebody left the screen door open. Your mom ain't gonna be happy about this. These things are all over the place. All right. To exterminate the bugs, first get rid of the mother. Use the helicopter after you've saved it from the spider's clutches, taking care not to shoot it down in the process. Then stamp out everything that moves. Okay.
Do you understand what you gotta do? I'm confused.
So, can't kill the spider. Gotta save the mother cockroach. I am so confused as to what to do.
What is that? Black? Isn't that a movie or something?
That's a good question. I don't know. Okay. I guess that's not the way to do that. I have this weird tractor thing with missiles on it.
No, it's saying thinks I mean black. The Great Black.
Got that taken care of. Where the heck am I supposed to go now? The Great Black, huh?
I have no idea.
What are you looking
I
up?
was trying to see if that like, because it just looked like a guy's face in a movie. Maybe it's another album. I don't know.
Do I have to kill all the bugs?
Look at the mission briefing again. Maybe I can read it and try to understand it. To exterminate the bugs, first get rid of the mother. Use the helicopter after you've saved it from the spider's clutches, taking care not to shoot it down in the process, then stamp out everything that moves.
Okay. So I know what I totally messed up. Restart. I need to kill the mother cockroach. Which the mother cockroach is
spider.
weird. So that's the helicopter I have to free. Where is that? This is your mission.
This is gross.
Right? Okay, so...
Also, it looks like you're the truck you're trying to get. Maybe not.
So the helicopter's up there. Where do the cockroaches come from?
We just focus
Maybe the
saving
bathroom?
the helicopter right now.
Okay, so they're coming from down there.
Creepy crawly skeletons.
So how do I get...
Shiver
up
down
there?
your spine.
Can't get it through the toilet? I am totally confused. How am I supposed to kill the mother cockroach if I can't get up to the said mother cockroach? Any ideas, Jacob?
I don't know why you're looking to get the mother cockroach.
Because
Why-
it says to go kill the mother cockroach.
Okay, pause it and look at the mission briefing. To exterminate the bugs, first get rid of the mother.
Right there.
Use the helicopter after you saved it from the spider's clutches, taking care not to shoot down in the process. Go get the helicopter first, then use it to go kill the mother. Then take out everything that moves.
All right.
So it's like you gotta go get the helicopter before you do anything. Because then you can get an eye view and then find where the heck it is. Rather than trying to search on the ground where you can't even see anything that's going on. This is why you can't read everything so literal like you do. You gotta understand the whole scroll.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm bringing that up, but I figured I might as well. Nice. Now go save your helicopter. Careful to not shoot it down in the process.
Okay.
Just keep shooting it. I don't know how else we're supposed to.
Oh, I have to take it over to the ashtray.
Oh, we're just
We're just dumb.
we're just hurting it for no reason.
Yeah. This is gonna suck.
Hey, this is your mission, so it is gonna suck. Hey. Helicopter acquired. Now switch to it. That is. Now we find the mother cockroach, I guess?
Yep.
Now you can get a bird's eye view. Get it because a bird can fly.
Oh, no,
I don't know if it's in the toilet. Maybe it is, I'm not sure.
Well, if I remember correctly, there was a thing way to the sewer. In the previous episode, we dealt with the toilet.
Yes, we did. Your toilet memory is on par, sir.
Now, where is the said giant cockroach?
That thing probably shooting at you. Cockroach gone.
Okay, now that said cockroach
Kill
is
everything that
dead.
moves.
Kill everything. Where is everything?
Go left. Or go back the way you came, I guess. I don't know. Because everything else is out in the kitchen.
Maybe. Actually. Come on, up. What the heck?
There we go. Yeah, dropping bombs. This is smart. I don't even know if you're getting them.
No idea. All right, let's go get the other. I think it'd be easier to kill them
Oh yeah, that works.
by running them over.
Nice. Yeah, this is the way to do it. So many.
Missed it. Did they say how long this?
I don't remember. Just keep going. What is happening?
A bug is
I
stopping.
know. It's so annoying. Up that ramp? Or is it over there? Or
I
over
don't-
there? Yeah.
No. I don't see them.
Might be up that ramp.
Maybe.
Or
Do you
not?
see boats?
Is it like upstairs or something?
That would suck if it is, so guess. Let's get some fuel. Maybe go upstairs?
I've never
'Cause
been more confused.
They could be upstairs, that's probably
Yeah.
where they are.
Only there's a way for you to latch the car up here.
Oh, there's
Yep,
the
there it
time
is.
limit. Yep,
6:30.
there they are.
Don't let a single one of them live. Jeez.
Dang,
That's
okay.
a long mission. Okay, well. We're either going to figure out if we're going to do the 10-minute one or try to make it this cockroach one. With the cockroach one, it seemed possible that you know where to go and do everything.
Right, yeah.
So it's just
But I think we'll have to just do that next time.
until next time.